I know there are different ways to do this. I'm gonna use this odd tail that I bought, and you connect the OBD, open up the screen, then go to hot function. And it takes just a second to load. And then you've got your keys, you can hit that. And then you've got a couple options. We're looking for factory keyless entry code, and boom, 59193. Now let's go see if that works. Okay, so then we're gonna go 59193. I heard it, 59193. Now let's lock it. Check it again, 59193. Unlocked. Now, to program a new code, you do 59193, hit the 1-2, and then I can program my new one. So I want my new one to be, let's say, 73915. Let's try it, 73915. No, so let's try it again. 59193, that worked. Hit the 1-2, and then 7395. Got it, 73915. Okay. I've also heard that they being Ford, put the key code in various different places, like the passenger kick panel. I don't know if it's true. I'm not going to check because I don't care. I have the odd tail. If you don't have a scan tool like that, then you might want to start looking under panels. Or if you still are fortunate enough to have your owner's manual, then that works too.